everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Manshus world. ఈ రోజు వీడియోలో నేను మీకు పిల్లలకి షేప్స్ ఎలా నేర్పించాలో చూపిస్తాను. ఈ రోజు చూపించే వర్క్షీట్స్ చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా ఉంటాయి. సో ఈ రోజు నేను నా డాటర్ తోటి ప్రాక్టికల్ గా నేను షేప్స్ ఎలా చేయిస్తున్నానో తనతోటి మీరు ఈ వీడియోలో చూడొచ్చు. First activity, color the shapes. Now Manshu, shall we start?
Yes, mommy. Yes,
okay,
mommy.
Which shape is this, beta?
Triangle.
Which shape, beta?
Triangle.
Which color do you want now to color?
I want pink.
Wow, you want to do with the pink color? Come on. Color it. Color it properly, beta. Good girl, good girl. Which shape is this, beta?
Circle.
Wow, color it. Which color do you want now?
Blue.
Blue color? Wow.
Yeah.
Do with the blue. Good girl, good girl.
Ay.
Good girl. Wow, wonderful. It's okay now. It's enough. It's enough, beta. Which shape is this, beta?
Square.
What?
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Rectangle. Rectangle.
Yes. Which color do you want now to color it?
Red.
Okay, take it. Good girl. Manshu, did you finish?
Not finished.
Not finished. Okay.
Finish, mommy.
Okay. Do the next one, beta. Which shape is this?
Moon.
Moon. So, which color do you want to take?
Oh.
Yellow one? Wow, good.
Moon.
Outside లోపటే పర్లే ఏం కనిపించట్లేదు లోపటే.
Red. Red.
Finish, beta?
Red.
Shape is this, beta?
Arrow mark.
What?
Arrow mark.
Arrow mark. Arrow. Wow. So which color do you want to do?
Green.
Green. Wow. Good. Good. Finished? Wow. Now which shape is this, beta?
Heart.
Heart. So which color do you want to take now?
It is hybrid.
Which color do you want to take now? Pink one. Wow, nice color. Come on, do. What, beta?
I like pink.
You like pink? Wow. Draw properly. Color it properly, beta. Yes. Good girl, good girl. Finished, beta?
Finish.
Wow. So which shape is this now? Manshuma?
Diamond.
Diamond. Wow. So which color you are choosing now? Which color do you want to take now?
Brown.
Wow, brown. Do with the brown now. Color. Finished? Wow. So now which shape is this, Nana? Manshuma?
Square.
Square. Wow. So which color do you want to take now?
Black color.
You want to take black color?
Yes.
Wow. Finished?
Finish.
So now which shape is this, Nana?
Oval.
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 Oval. So choose one color now.
Green.
You want to take green? Wow. Do with the green now. Good. Wow.
Finish.
Wow. Claps for Manshu, darling. You have to do here, you have to trace the shapes. Which shape is this, beta?
Square.
What, beta?
Square.
Square, yes. Trace. And show in this activity we have to mash the shapes. Do you know how to do now?
Yes.
Mash them now. Good girl. Make it faster. Good girl. Which shape is that?
Triangle.
Triangle. Yes. Now which shape is this?
Circle.
Mash. Good girl. Now mash this shape. Good girl. Now
Half.
square. Square, not rectangle, beta. Here, this one. This is rectangle. You got confused? Yes, good girl. Square. Now, which shape is this?
Heart.
Mash properly. Be concentrate.
Heart.
Good girl. Good girl. Now, which shape is this? Don't be confused in rectangle and square. Show me rectangle. Good girl. Now which shape is this?
Arrow.
Arrow mark. Come on, match now.
Arrow.
Match better. Yes. Good girl. Claps for Manshu, darling. Manshu, do you know what to do here? Count and color the arrow mark. You have to count the arrows, how many are there, and color the arrow marks. Okay, beta?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's it. Only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good girl. Now color them. Color them, Nana. You want to take brown color? Wow. Color properly, beta. Manshu, it's not tracing, it's just color. You have to do color here. You told me that you know. Color properly. Good, good. Good, good. Color properly. So there are any arrow marks left out? Yes. Good, good. Finished? Good girl, beta. There are 6 arrow marks. Wow, great job. So what you have to do here, color the biggest one. You have to find a biggest one and color it. Okay? Come on, find. Which shape is this first of all? Which shape is this? I didn't ask which one is biggest. Which shape?
Triangle.
Good girl. Then color it. Which is the biggest one here? Good girl. Choose one color. Good girl. So which shape is this now?
Circle.
Circle.
Big circle.
Big circle. Wow. Choose one color and do. Color it. You want to take pink color? Okay. Again pink. Color it better. Wow. Finished, Nana?
Finish.
Wow. So which shape is this now? Pink and pink. Wow, it's okay. Which shape is now? Which shape is this, beta? This beta?
Big square.
Big square. So this is the biggest one here. Color it. Again you want to take pink? Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Such a fast. Wow. It's okay. Look here. You have to color it only in inside, not outlines. Okay? Good girl. So which shape is this, Manshu? diamond. So which one is the biggest here? Good girl. Come on.
Is it pink?
Good girl. Which shape is this, beta?
Pink? Is it pink? Is it pink?
Wow. Which shape is this? Which
Which
is the biggest here?
this?
Good girl. Come on, color it.
And the
Wow. Finished, Nana?
finish.
Good. Do properly. Good girl. Over. Finished. Okay.
And color.
Now, do you know what to do here? Count and match. Now, what?
No.
What, beta?
That's mommy.
Okay, you have to count here. Which shape is this? Which shape is this, beta? And which shape is this, beta?
Ja-
Come again.
Triangle.
Triangle. Yes, count them and match. Match with the numbers. Okay. Good girl.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good girl. Now, where is the 5 here? Good. Match it. Do you want to take with the color pencil? Do with the pencil? Wow. Claps for Manshu darling. Now, which shape is this, beta? Heart. Count the hearts. How many hearts are there here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good girl. Where is the 7? Good. Match. Good girl. Now which shape is this?
What?
Square.
Square.
Okay. Come on. Count how many squares are here.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
They
Come
are
on. Match.
blue.
Good girl. Now which shape is this, beta?
Oh wow.
Ooh, oval.
Yes.
How many ovals are there here?
1, 2.
2. So where is the 2? Good girl. Match. Good girl. Match properly. Good girl. It's okay. So which shape is this?
Circle.
Circle. How many circles are there? Just count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
So how many circles are there?
9.
Wow. Come on. Match. Match properly. Now which shape is this, beta?
Diamond.
Wow. How many diamonds are there here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow. 4. Where is the 4?
There.
Good
It's
girl. Match. Which shape is this?
Arrow mark.
Arrow mark. Wow. So how many arrows are there here?
1.
Only 1. Where is the 1? Wow. Match. Match with the number. Good girl. Claps for Manshu darling. Wow. Next activity, match the shadows. Manshuma, do you know what is the shapes? You have to match with the shadows. Which shape is this, beta?
Circle.
Where is the circle here? Good girl. Come on, match. Wow. Do with the right hand.
Triangle.
Which shape is this?
Triangle.
Okay. Where is the triangle here? Where is the shadow? Wow. Come on, match. Good girl. Which shape is this?
Red.
Centrate. Where is the square? Good girl. Which shape is this? Diamond. Which shape is this? Diamond.
Diamond.
Wow. Come on, match. Where is the diamond here? Good girl. Come on, match. Which shape is this?
Oh wow.
Where is the heart here? Wait. Come on, match. Match it properly. Wow. Good job, Manshu darling. In this activity, we have to find odd one out. For example, which shape is this?
Diamond.
No. Be concentrate. To color this circle, for circle blue color, for stars yellow color, for triangle black color, for square green color, for rectangle pink color. Come on, take all the colors. So that's all for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. మీకు ఈ వీడియో చూసి కొంచెం ఐడియాస్ వచ్చుంటాయి మీ పిల్లలతోటి ఎలా చేయించాలి అని చెప్పేసి. మీకు కనుక ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.